everybody, today we're going to be looking at this sound, and this is the ch sound. Let's say it again, ch. Can you say that sound? Ch. Fantastic. The ch sound is another digraph, and remember, a digraph is two letters that make one sound. And the two letters in this sound are k and h, or c and h, and together they make the ch sound. Now today we're going to play a really fun game. We're going to play countdown, and in a moment 5 words with the ch sound in them will appear on the screen. You have to read them as fast as you can before the timer runs out. So remember, use your phonics and press the sound buttons to help you. Have a go. How did you get on? Did you beat the timer? On the board, I've got the 5 words that you have just tried to read. Let's read them together. But first, we need to find the ch digraph to help us. So let's put a line under the ch sound. See if you can help me. Can you find it in this word? Point to it. There it is. Well done. What about this one? Super. What about this one? Fantastic. I can see another digraph in this word. Can you? That's right. The k sound is another digraph. What about this one? Well done. And the last word? Super. Let's have a go at reading them. I'll press the sound buttons and you segment the word. Let's do the first one together. Ch. It. Let's go a bit faster. Ch. It. Chip. Let's see if we can do the next one. Let's do it first together. Ch. Ug. Your go. Let's go a bit faster. Ch, ug, chug. Let's try the next one. Ch, ek, check. See if you can read the last 2. Go a little bit faster. Chin. Well done. What about this one? Chop, chop. What super reading, well done. Right now, I'm going to take these words off my board because we're going to have a go at writing a caption. Now I have a picture here. Delicious. Fish and chips. So we're going to have a go at writing the caption fish and chips. My first word is fish. How do I write fish? Can you sound it out for me? Fish. I can hear the f sound first. I. Sh. Fish. My next word was and. Fish and. And is a high frequency word. You can find the and word in my high frequency word video. Fish and ch sound. Ch. Let's sound out chip. Ch, it, ch, it. Fish and chips. See if you can write that caption. Find yourself a piece of paper and a pencil and see if you can write fish and chips. Have you wrote fish and chips? Now I've got a challenge for you. In a moment, a picture is going to appear on the screen and it has a word in it with the ch sound. And I want you to write a caption. Have a go. Have you wrote the caption? Well done. Come back tomorrow for the next sound. Bye!